Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of Rancher and Kid. Today I bought an airplane off of Amazon. Really cool. And we're gonna go fly it, test it, and maybe rate it at the end. Let's get to it, y'all. Alright, we got the plane down there. Right. Oh. Okay, we got the plane loaded. We are ready. There it is. Okay. Oh geez. So I'm gonna throw the plane, and I'm gonna have you guys try to see it. No. Okay, here's the plane taking off. Oh, crash landing, crash landing. And we landed it. If you guys got that on video, we landed our plane. I threw the plane because it's hard to take off with this plane. It's not the best one to take off with, but it is landed on the ground. Time for flight test 2. We are going to pick up speed and see if we can basically get over. There's only, for the controls, there's only up and down to maneuver it. Oh, we got up in the air. And we landed it. Oh my gosh. We did a stunt. Oh my gosh. Okay. This plane is a very good plane. I would recommend it. It was only like $30. It was cheap. And honestly, does it fly the best? But if you're just getting into the learning of it like me, this is